Hi, I'm Rick Hein, and I'm a lawyer in the city of St. Louis, Missouri, in the great American Midwest. Greetings and welcome to this short informational video. The purpose of this video is to orient you in the event you've suffered a work accident in the state of Missouri. In this video, I'm going to explain the 4 benefits available to you under the Missouri Workers' Compensation Law. Be aware, however, that the benefits available under the laws of the state of Missouri may be very different from those available to you in your state, since the laws can vary drastically from one state to the next. Now I'll explain the 4 benefits available to an injured worker in Missouri. Let's begin with the most basic, and that's medical attention. The law says that the employer, normally through the work comp insurance company, has to provide reasonable and necessary medical attention to cure you, or to get you to the point of what the law calls maximum medical improvement, or MMI, all at the employer's cost. This means that you should not receive or have to pay any medical bills resulting from your work injury, not even for pain relievers or prescription medications, and that you should not have to pay anything out of pocket for your medical care, even if it's a big surgery or a few aspirin. This is the basis of the work comp system because, after all, the system is designed for the protection of the injured worker, and it's even called the workers' compensation system. So that's the first benefit. The second benefit is weekly payments for off work, which is called temporary total disability, or TTD. The law says that while you are recuperating from your injury and unable to work, the employer, again normally through its work comp insurance carrier, has to pay you 2/3 of your average weekly wage. Your average weekly wage is based on your gross pay for the 13 weeks before the accident. But your weekly work comp TTD payments are tax-free, which means that you don't have to pay taxes on the 2/3 that they do pay you while you're off work. So that's the second benefit under work comp in Missouri. The third benefit is compensation for permanent disability. Now, as I explained, once your medical case is over, your doctor will release you from treatment, and when he or she believes that you've reached maximum medical improvement, or MMI. Maximum medical improvement means that no further medical treatment will benefit you, and so if you're still having symptoms or complaints after treatment, then you will have what is called a permanent injury. The law provides compensation for permanency of the injury. This is where final compensation at the end of the case can be found, normally in the form of a lump sum settlement or even an award from the administrative law judge. Now, that's the third benefit under Missouri workers' compensation. Finally, there's a fourth benefit in some but not all cases, and this has to do with compensation for permanent disfigurement and scarring. So if you end up with permanent scars or disfigurement on the head, face, neck, arms, or hands, the law will pay you an additional amount depending on the severity of the scarring or disfigurement. So those are the 4 benefits available to you under Missouri's workers' compensation law if you've been injured on the job. You work hard to earn a living and to support your family. If you're injured at work and your injuries or medical bills can make it hard to get ahead, please call us at the phone number on the screen to tell us about your case. It will be our privilege and our honor to serve you. Also, don't forget to look at the other informational videos we have on the different areas of law in which we practice. Good luck, best wishes, and thank you again for your attention.